Paul wrote 1 Corinthians from Ephesus in the year 54 to 55. But 1 Corinthians was not really his first letter to them. It was at least his second, and actually Paul wrote at least 4 or 5 letters that we know about, something like this. This church was likely 50 or 60 people meeting in different homes, though occasionally all together. The letter of 1 Corinthians looks like it might have been written in stages, 1 to 4 and then 5 on. First, a report from Chloe's people had Paul addressing a lack of unity based on following different teachers, Paul, Peter, or Apollos. At the very least, this shows that there actually was a difference between the various teachers, perhaps only in style and personality, or perhaps in emphasis and content as well. Paul launches a pointed and beautiful discussion of the message of the cross, contrasting it with Greek wisdom or philosophy. He speaks of a secret or hidden wisdom of God, and then says that this quote is written somewhere. There is no direct quote like this anywhere in the Old Testament. Maybe it is a very free conflation of parts of Isaiah chapters 52, 64, and 65. Origen said it was a quote from the Apocalypse of Elijah. Anyway, Paul continues. After speaking of the Spirit's role in revealing the thoughts of God, he returns to the problem of division, this time focusing only on himself and Apollos, which means that this might be the real issue to start with. Now, Apollos was from Alexandria, Egypt, where there was a rich tradition of associating Greek philosophy to the ancient scriptures in the steps of one Philo of Alexandria, who had died just before Paul started writing his letters. Paul defends Apollos and then labors in chapters 3 and 4 to show continuity. He spends no time talking about Peter. He chides them for being arrogant about Greek philosophy and then talks like he's ending the letter. But chapter 5 looks like it may be a restart, as if he's just received word of additional problems in Corinth. In any case, chapters 5 and 6 deal with problems of immorality and issues of internal strife, saying you should be able to judge these things among yourselves without taking each other to court. Well, not even churches today are willing to tackle this. It is one of the greatest areas of Christian cowardice that exists. Paul ends chapter 6 with this statement to the whole church. Do you not know that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit? Glorify God in your body. While this might apply to our physical bodies, Paul is talking about the body, the church. You, collectively, are God's temple. Act like it.